Hi guys, welcome to another Maverick information video. Today, electric awnings, how to put them out, put them in, and make sure they're nice and secure. So the first thing we need is power to our electric awning. So the power comes through our socket, turn that one on, and immediately our switch for the awning is blue, push open. So the awning is slow enough that we don't need to panic, you don't need to run around, but the important things while the awning's coming out, it's easier if you have the door closed and your kitchen isn't fully set up. And then all we need to do is make sure that the leg poles that are in this piece that's coming out, need to bring these out, and then you can adjust them with the adjustable clip. Put them on a bit of an angle so that they will catch up to where the awning is coming out. Exactly the same at the other end. And you're really just walking the awning out into your position. So as this awning housing is coming off the van to set up, the leg gets removed by pulling it out. Very important that this piece is pulled all the way out before the leg starts to swing down, or you can do some damage to the clips that are inside there. So straight down, set the awning up, and then when you're putting it back away, make sure again that this is all the way out. The leg will swing up, just push that piece in with your thumb, and then the rest of the leg will fold up nice and neat. Perfect. So we've taken the leg out of the housing, just a little silver clip, loosen it, adjust to the height that you require for your awning. And then if this clip is a little bit too loose or tight, you can, just by turning it, adjust the strength in it. Nice and secure. So once your awning is in the correct position, you can fine tune it. So the way you can do that is either by extending your leg poles at either side. If the weather's poor and it's raining, always lower one side so water has somewhere to come off. You can also, very importantly, attach guy ropes to this main piece and put them down onto the ground so the wind doesn't get under it. And there's holes also in the legs that you can put tent pegs into. You can also trim the sail for those that know sailing, but just by adjusting where the awning sits, and I'm going to use the switch inside, you'll see how it will actually tighten the roof material as well, that canvas. So you can see just by simply doing that, it's now nice and tight. So it's now ready for me to just, again, fine tune it, make it a little bit higher, a little bit lower, put those guy ropes down, tent pegs in, and set up everything else for your living.